Here is what 30,000 naira, about $20 got me from TEMU. Let's unbox and see if they are worth it. So this is what I ordered versus what I got, TEMU edition. Hey y'all, Chantel here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time and you like the vibe, please let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section. Also giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing. Not forgetting to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get that notification. Alrighty? Thank you so much. So yeah, this is actually my second purchase from TEMU. I wasn't disappointed with the first one, hence my giving them another try. But I've seen so many videos online and people like, oh, this is not what I wanted. This is way off what I ordered and stuff. So let us check mine and see. Whenever I'm ordering online, I like to be very careful, especially with sites like TEMU, Shein, AliExpress, Alibaba and the likes. I always like to keep my orders very minimum. Buy things that I know that if they don't come out looking great, I can afford to lose that, right? So yeah, like I mentioned, this is a 30,000 naira worth of purchase, which is what you need to spend from Nigeria to qualify for free shipping on TEMU. I actually think that is genius because I mean, I'm not buying a lot of things from that website. So 30,000 naira, and the fact that you have the option of paying with your Nigerian card is so amazing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the haul proper. First item on my list is this set of 4 sponges. Yeah, sponges for washing of plates. Let me open and show you what they look like. They're so cute in the shape of fruits. This I believe is an avocado, citrus. This is strawberry, yeah, and I don't know what this is, another citrus fruit. So 4 in 1. I'll leave the price on the screen somewhere around here. I don't know, when I'm editing I'll do that so that you guys can get a clear understanding of how much I spent. I also got this set of 6-piece tongue scraper. If you don't have a tongue scraper, I don't know what to tell you. It's quite affordable. I got this, comes with, like I mentioned, 6 pieces. I also ordered this pop socket right here. This is what it looks like. Very cute with a smiley face. Next are these set of 4 nails. If you all know me, I like my press-on nails, so definitely was going to order some more because I've run out. Press-on nails prompted my first purchase from TEMU, so yeah, I had to get another set. I also got, what is this? Oh yeah, it's a 3-in-1 face sponge for pressed powder. Yeah, another set of nails, so cute, my browns. And then I got an oil spray bottle because we're about that healthy lifestyle now. So this, I'm going to put my oil inside and spray instead of pouring oil. If you know, you know that spraying reduces the amount of calories in when it comes to your cooking. Next, I ordered this food cover, which in hindsight I don't think I should have because I don't know. It might come in handy, it might not. It just mimics a hairnet, but it's for food. It's for plates, like things you want to put in the fridge. It expands. You use it to cover the bowl or plate, whatever you're going to put your food inside. They say keep your food fresh. So for vegetables like cabbage, carrots, you can just wrap them in here. I'm speaking based on what I saw on the website. I also got another set of 4 nails. This is in red color. Love it. Love the almond shape. I also picked up these nails as well. It has this ombre effect. I hope you all can see it. It's a nude color, but it has that ombre effect going on. It's just very simple, very subtle shade of nude. Love, love, love it. And then I got a phone case. What is a TEMU order without a phone case? I mean, you just have to, you can't resist it. They have a lot of beautiful designs. Yellow is not my color, but when I saw this bowl accents on it, or a bow design, I really loved it. It's squishy. It's a squishy phone case, so it's not very sturdy, I would say. I'll have to give it a try to find that out though. Okay, so this is what prompted my Temu order this time, this digital scale. My other food scale got bad. I don't know why. It just stopped measuring. When you put everything on it to give one error. So I went on Temu and I got this one. This is a digital food scale. Why does it look smaller than I anticipated? Oh my God, will this thing weigh anything? But yeah, you know, this is what it looks like. I hope it weighs though, because I'll be so mad. It's very tiny compared to what you can see on the screen. What they showed on the website is not what I'm seeing. But I love how it looks. It comes with this cover just to keep it safe against. I feel like the last one that got bad was because it was open. I don't know whether that was what prompted the error, but I just like this packaging. Yeah, to turn it on, I have to get 2 AA batteries. AAA actually, the smaller size. Yeah. And the last item in this haul is, oh, I got this. I even forgot. A hand cutter, a manual hand grater hand cutter. This one that you can pull from here. So sometimes I want to make some recipe, and it doesn't require the smooth paste pepper and onions and tomato, right? So you just need something to crush it, or like a pulse setting basically, which is what made me opt for this. When I saw it, I'm like, oh yeah, this will come in clutch. So yeah, I ordered it. Hopefully it lasts for a couple of months. This is what it looks like inside, and I got it in a green color. They have other color options on their website. Yeah, that's everything, y'all. I'm sweating so much because I'm filming with no AC, no fan. Long story. But yeah, out of everything I showed you, is there anyone you feel like wasn't worth it? In terms of pricing, in terms of look, just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. With Temu, like I mentioned, I don't expect much, but they lived up to my expectation with this order. I'm not mad at anything. I don't feel catfished, or I don't feel deceived. The only thing I have a problem with, a slight problem with, is the size of this scale. But aside that, I feel like everything looks good. I really love the sponges. It looks so cute. And the size for the amount I paid, I feel like it's a steal. So yeah, let me know your favorite items in the comment section. Have you ordered from Temu before? Were you pleasantly surprised, or were you disappointed, like over disappointed? Let me know as well in the comment section. Until I come your way again, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel Anyanwu.